Goinkara, you choose the leaders in your own villages wisely, not because they are wealthy and powerful, but because they are smart and intelligent. The expert team will provide all the support and tools that you need to steer you in the right direction. Namaskar, Goinkara. Today, let's start with a question, which is, do we really care about Goa? And the answer may be with this frog. Let's try to find out who is more intelligent, the frog or the Goinkar. Let's find out.
The bullfrog is quite a character. Bullfrogs spawn in small pools around a larger pond. And after mating is over, one male stays to watch over the eggs and then the tadpoles.
See the intelligence of that frog. The frog understood the danger his future generation was facing. What about us, Goinkars? Do we understand the danger our future generation is facing? And remember, the frog did not do it for attention, and also did not blame the weather. So why do we blame politicians, migrants? What did they do wrong?
Repeatedly saying that more Congress MLAs are set to cross over.
सध्या गोंयांत पॅकेज केल्ली आसा आनी ते खुबशा आमदारांक अप्रोच जाता इन्क्लुडींग आमच्या आमदारांक आनी ती पॅकेजी बरी पॅकेज हें केल्ली आसता. पॅकेज ए अशी केल्यार जो आमदार फुडपाक सोदता ताका डायरेक्ट 40 crores आनीक प्लस 5 कोटी आपल्या वर्करांक थंड करपाक त्या भायर इलेक्शनाक तेजो खर्च आनी इलेक्ट जाले जाल्यार चॅरमॅनशीप ताका मंत्रीपद ना. हो पॅकेज ए.
They are here to do business. If any migrant doing illegality, then remember, there is always Gorcho Bedi Bailochor. The reality is, selfish Goinkar is the real culprit here. Selfish Goinkar is the source of all the problems we are in today.
गोंयांत कितें चलता मुलक बबाट माता सगळं दा जावन गेले मग बीजेपीक गेले कितें आमकां लागून गेले न्ही रे. हांव लोक पयलीं बरो जावपा जायो ते तेंचे फायद्याक गेले नाय ते आमकां लागून गेले. एली सांग तेन्ना तुम न्ही रे तो लोक धांवता पयलो. तुम पयलीं बरो जाय रे लाड ये हुंचे लाड हातायता लोक पयलो. आं तुम हुक्या वोट माला केन्नाच 2000 दिल्या 3000 दिल्या वोट मातायता रे तुमी सांगताय कोण आमकां 5 जाय हाय आमकां 10,000 जाय म्हूण 5 पासून येयली सांग मनशाक 2000 पटाय मुटाय तुम मागीर ते खंयच वाटले पयशे. कोण गोंयकार वोट मात रे. कोण गोंयकार वोट माता पयशे नासतना. आं आयकिल तुम पयलीं बरो जाय गेले मग बाबाट माता ही तुम केत तांकां हुक्या वोट तें पयशान घेयलो हाय आमकां हिको ते हांव उलयता फोट उलयना स्वता हात उलयता हांव.
Selfish Goinkar is the source of all the problems we are in today. Mostly because of their ignorance. Penny wise, pound foolish. We are facing total political system failure in Goa.
गोंयांत कितलेशेच मेगा प्रोजेक्ट चल्ले जाता. एक आयिल्लो एससीजेड तो पयशे कोणें घेतले तांगे इंट्रस्ट घेवन सरकारान फारीक केले पयशे. मागीर आयलो IT पार्क तो तसोच पडलो. आतां चल्ला तो मोपा प्रोजेक्ट. थंयच्या गांवच्या लोकांचे शेती गेल्यो तांकां कितें रोजगार मेळटा हाची खबर ना. पयशे कलेक्ट केले कोणे गेले ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा सरकाराचे कोणा मंत्री जे आसा त्या लोकांनी पयशे गेले. अशे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट येता तातूंत लोकांचो कितें फायदो आसा दाखोवंक दिना म्हणून गोंयकारांचो हे मेगा प्रोजेक्टाचेर विश्वास ना हे मंत्र्यांचेर विश्वास ना म्हणून आमचो विरोध आसा हाचेर.
म्हाका कायदेशीर जातले तेन्ना 144 लागलो कित्याक जमलो हांगासर कित्याक जमलो तूं कोण विचारता तूं ना मरे चलो एका
सो सगळ्यांनी ऑफेन्स कमीट केला भितर तांकां कित्याक तूं सोडून दिलें सगळ्यांक तुम्ही तुमकां सांगलेलें तुम्ही गेट आमच्याकडे व्हिडिओ आहा येयले ते नाका म्हणजे तुमकां जाय तेन्ना येतले तुम्ही थंय रावतले
पण गाडी इतलो थंय कशी रावली तर
तुम्ही सगळ्यांक सोडल्या म्हणजे तुम्ही इन्वॉल्व आहा हितून क्लियर कळटा 144 तुम्ही सगळ्यांक हांकां सोडटा
विदाउट एनी प्रायर अप्रुव्हल परमिशन फ्रॉम द कन्सर्न अथॉरिटी आणि 144 सेक्शन इम्प्लिमेंटेड असा हांगा जे पार्टीची चालू असा हांगा पोलिसाची गाडी अर्धावर येवन उभी असली
हांगा तुम्ही पळयता हे व्हडलें काम चल्लां पंचायत एनओसी ना कसलेच ना कांयच ना लायटीचो मिटर सुद्दां ना
पंचायतीन हांवें कंप्लेन फायल केली ही डेट आशिल्ली 30 ऑक्टोबर 2019 अशी 3 एप्लिकेशन हांवें घातली सो तरी सुद्दां कांयच एक्शन जालें ना सो व्हडल्या गाडयांची म्हणजे डिझल गाडयांची गॅरेज ओपन केल्या आणि थंय 18 टायराचे आणि 20 टायरांचे ट्रक उबे आसा आणि त्यांचें काम चालू आसा व्हडली शेड बांदलेली आसा आणि थंय गॅरेजीचें काम चालू आसा आणि आमच्या पंचायतीच्या एकाय पंचाक खबर ना तो खबर आसून सुद्दां ते कानमान करता एक्चुअली तो जागो इल्लीगल तो करून जाचो जागो कोणी तरी टेक ओव्हर केला आणि ते जागो आपला म्हणून त्यांनी विकला त्याका काय भाड्यान दिला आणि तो कोण तरी यादव म्हणून कोण तरी मायजन ती गॅरेज चलयता उदक फुकट वापरता लायट फुकट वापरता जागो फुकट वापरता आणि पंचायतीचेर कांयच एक्शन घेना
कोण कोर्टाचे बी कोण काय करेना
कोर्टाचे पैसे खाता गव्हर्नमेंट पैसे खाता पंचायत खाता सगळे खाता लोकांक त्रास जाता
So what do we do? Who is capable of protecting Goa? It's you. तू कोणूय असो एक शेतकार or एक सायंटिस्ट doesn't matter. Remember, you were born with enough intelligence.
In the Middle Ages, the kings thought they were very superior to the peasants. But a baby born to a poor peasant family was likely to be as intelligent as the crown prince, as the son of the king.
Today, Goa is in total mess. So we need to do something. If we do nothing, nothing is going to change. Don't expect so-called leaders to save Goa.
Our own imagination, our own creation. For example, if there is a Goenka, Matt Goenka, who is very fond of his name, every day people should talk about Goenka, Goenka, Goenka. On the radio, Goenka, Goenka. On the TV, Goenka, Goenka. On the newspaper, Goenka, Goenka. And people build temples of Goenka and establish statues of Goenka and then start dancing Harik Goenka, Harik Goenka. And this Goenka gets puffed up. Wonderful. Such a mad Goenka. If he's really fond of only his name, then what an ego-centered person he is. What a self-centered person.
Try to understand most of our leaders today. Don't they think that they are special? Do they have an identity? My group, my party. A person with identity will try to do anything to protect it. For them, their group, their party, or their identity is more important than Goa. Development of Goa is the last thing on their mind. And what about some of these so-called activists?
क्योंकि आजकल एक्टिविस्ट भी बहुत कमीने हैं एक्टिविस्ट भी इनके चमचे हैं
Yes, they will give big speeches.
एक कवि है जिसका नाम है कुमार विश्वास बहुत अच्छी अच्छी कविता बोलते हैं और बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बात करते हैं देश की बात करते हैं सोसाइटी की बात करते हैं जब ये अन्ना हजारे को बोल रहे थे मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए मुझे तो वर्कर बनना है भैया इलेक्शन में राज्यसभा का टिकट नहीं दिया अरविंद केजरीवाल ने इसका राज्य सेवा समाज सेवा सब गया चूल्हे में ये पकड़ के अरविंद केजरीवाल को गाली देने लगा क्यों दे रहा है देश की भलाई के लिए दे रहा है वो गाली खुद का राज्यसभा टिकट के लिए नहीं दे रहा है वो देश की भलाई के लिए दे रहा है जैसे कि उसको राज्यसभा का टिकट नहीं मिले तो देश की भलाई नहीं होगा मैं ये सब क्यों बोल रहा हूँ मैं इसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज ये सब जो नेता हैं हमारे उनको ये लगता है कि हम बेवकूफ हैं हम ये उनकी बात मानेंगे कि वो देश के लिए झगड़ा कर रहे हैं अपने पार्टी से या अपने पार्टी से बाहर निकल रहे हैं मैं ये बात इसलिए बोल रहा हूं क्योंकि ये जो लोग को समझते हैं ना कि हम बेवकूफ है और हम इनके ये सब चोचलेपने में हम इनको वोट देंगे या हम इनके साथ है तो हमें ये बताना है कि यार हमें मत बोलो यार ये बात हमको डेफिनेटली मालूम है कि आप अगर कोई पार्टी में ज्वाइन करते हो तो किसके लिए करते हो या एक पार्टी छोड़ते हो तो किसके लिए करते हो आपने खुद के सिवा और किसके बारे में कभी ना सोचा था ना सोचेंगे
Remember, no selfish leader wants you to be wise. Because if you are wise, they cannot exploit you.
It is easier to fool people than to convince them that they are being fooled.
And please, don't even think about so-called educated people to save Goa.
Today, our university graduates come out and make a mess of the world. The biggest problems in our world are created by highly educated people.
Most of the so-called educated, lawyers, engineers, doctors, hold their diplomas and degrees only because of money and not because they are smart.
I can tell you this, I taught physics to pre-med students who became doctors. Not all of them are smart, I assure you. It's impossible for people to think that they just had idiot doctors diagnose them, or that it was a diagnostic failure. Yeah, it's astonishing. It's astonishing who ends up being our doctors.
And today, of course, educationist one who amasses wealth by the bad means and then starts an educational institution, he's called an educationist. And immediately he gets a honorary doctorate and he calls himself a doctor. And this honorary doctorate doesn't mean anything. Today I am told you can buy a honorary doctorate also by paying money to some universities. Not all. Some governors are looking for money so that they have so many universities under them. They'll say, you give me 2 crores, I'll get you an honorary doctorate from A university or B university.
The moment someone tries to play their educational card saying, I am doctor, engineer, lawyer, in other words, what they are trying to say is, they are special and they are looking out for useful idiots. Please don't be one, because as far as intelligence is concerned, you are not less than anybody.
A baby born to a poor peasant family was likely to be as intelligent as the crown prince, as the son of the king.
A genuine person will never think that he is special, but a selfish person will.
Goenkara, you choose the leaders in your own villages wisely, not because they are wealthy and powerful, but because they are smart and intelligent. We have a team, some of these brilliant people in Goa, lawyers, engineers, scholars, and other experts and strategists, the intelligent ones who care much more about the future of Goa than lining their own pockets to fuel their personal greed. The expert team will provide all the support and tools that you need to steer you in the right direction.
Mission: to save whatever is remaining of Goa. Goals: to provide free and quality education for every Goan child. To provide free and quality healthcare for every Goan. To implement zero tolerance policies in Goa.